Hi guys, myself NxtWave Building, and today let us discuss about the building a machine learning in less than 10 minutes. Hi guys, now I am going to click a image project so that I am clicking the standard image model so that in the class 1 I am going to mention as my name SNVS Komal, and in the class 2 I am going to mention the cube which I am interested in more, Rubik's cube, right? So in the cube, I'm learning. I am more interested in specific in 5 into 5 cube. So in this webcam, we are giving image samples that which the model can train itself and identifies the whether I am the SNVS common or not. So right now I'm clicking the webcam. So and I'm hold and recording. So now I'm going to give the images, sample images to the ML. So now I'm click hold and click record. It takes multiple samples. We can rotate our faces to identify and to learn the machine whether it's me or not, and we are giving them more and more samples that how to learn itself, how I am look in other ways, how I look in when the side pose is given. So right, I'm going to give these many applications, but I'm giving the more than above 450 or 470 application images. So now I had done with my images, so it identifies whether it is me or not. So now I am giving the second class, which is Rubik's cube, right? I'm clicking the webcam and I'm taking my Rubik's cube, which is 5 into 5. So and in this way, I'm clicking that it is a cube, so which I'm holding it right now in front of you. So in this hold and record, I'm giving the samples of my cube, which is how it looks like Rubik's cube. So let us see it, and I'm describing the cube in many different positions. So I'm giving all the colors of the positions in this video. So right, this like machine identifies whether it is the cube or not. So we can give the requirement of the image, how many samples are you want to give, then that you are making the machine how it going to learn itself very perfectly. So now I have made my images, sample images of a Rubik's cube and me itself. So I'm going to train the model, and it takes some minutes of time. So it is going to training. So it takes more time. It is less than 5 minutes of time. So it is also mentioning that don't switch on the tabs. While if we switch the tabs, the machine learning is going to disturb itself. So we should not switch the tabs while the machine is training. So right guys. So it is trained right now, and it is saying that I am the SNVS comma. So it identified in the very good way. So and I'm making the time the getting the cube. So it identifies the cube. It is a cube 5 into 5 Rubik's cube. So it identifies that it is the cube, which is the machine learning model that I have, which is the samples that I given as image. So we can learn that so we can clearly say that the machine learning model, there are some like supervised, unsupervised, and the reinforcement. So in this, which is the supervised, which means we are giving the data and to identify itself, and we are making the image, which is it is a cube, and identify it is a cube itself, and we are giving the input and output also. So it is going to learn itself and making the image in a correct way. So thank you guys. That's it for today. Thank you.